Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in Chef's Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken thighs recipe and I'm going to make it in air fryer. The ingredients I'm going to use: degi mirt, black pepper, salt, parsley flake, 1 teaspoon each. I'm going to make a paste for garlic, onion, ginger and green chili. 5 garlic cloves which are frozen, you can use it fresh. As for onion, any color, no preference. About 1 inch ginger and 1 green chili. 5 garlic cloves. Onion, make it 4 pieces. As for ginger, same thing, we're going to make it small pieces. And green chili. And we're going to make it smooth paste. Just shake it if they got stuck. It's all done. This nice smooth paste. Perfect. So from the chicken thighs, I'm going to remove the skin. I'm going to wash it with the cold water and I'm going to trim the fat and I will share with you. All the chicken thighs, I remove the skin and we're going to trim the fat. Again, it's a personal choice. If you wanted to keep the fat on, you can keep it, but I'm going to trim the fat. So I'm going to take out all the fat. It's going to take some time. Just like that. So once I'm going to clean the fat, then I'll share with you. I trimmed the fat and what I've done, I made it like 2 cuts on each of them. I remove all the fat from the bottom and from the side. We're going to get one mixing bowl and we're going to bring paste, which is onion, ginger and garlic and chili. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. We're going to mix it well. This is how it looks. The degi mirt gives a nice color, so this is looking perfect. Now I'm going to bring the chicken pieces. We're going to mix with all the spices. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely coated, each pieces. All the spice going to go inside the cut. Once it's nicely marinated, I'm going to cover with the plastic wrap. And we're going to keep it in fridge for a couple hours. And the best thing to do when you do marination, do it overnight. Next morning you cook it, then they cook well and then they taste well. But I'm going to do it for 2 hours. The chicken thighs, I left it in fridge for 2 hours and I just took it out. As I mentioned, you can marinate overnight and that will be the perfect thing to do. And now we're going to mix it again with the spices. I'm going to open the air fryer and we're going to place it in the thighs just like that. These are big thighs. There's 6 of them. One more. It's always a good idea when you're cooking in an air fryer, make sure that you leave some room in there. The way air fryer cooks, it needs the circulation. I'm going to put it into fryer and we're going to cook it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to do it for 25 minutes. So we're going to start it and we're going to keep the temperature on 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to keep timer to 25 minutes. And now it's going to start. It's already started. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to open it once. I'm going to turn the chicken thighs over and then we'll cook additional 10 minutes. Cooking our chicken thighs for exactly 15 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Wow, so nice. They're looking really good. And I'm going to turn them over. This is looking perfect. So all the pieces, we're going to turn them over. All the pieces are nicely turned over. So it's all looking good. I'll put it back again. And it will start at the same time where we left it off. And we're going to open after 10 minutes. 1 more minute to go. Altogether, we cooked for 25 minutes. The chicken thighs, they're almost done. It's all done. Our chicken thighs are cooked for 25 minutes and we are waiting for the final beep. Here is the final beep. I'm going to let the chicken thighs rest for 5 minutes and then I'm going to open it. We cooked our chicken thighs for 25 minutes and we let it rest for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it Wow, look at this. So delicious. And I'm going to take it out in my serving platter. This is perfect. Chicken thighs are done and we're going to sprinkle some parsley flake. Perfect. They are looking super tasty and super delicious. They are very moist, juicy, and it's made in air fryer. And it's a perfectly healthy recipe. You can serve with rice plof or you can serve as an appetizer. I hope you're going to like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. You always can serve with the rice plof. This is a perfect chicken thigh recipe in air fryer.